So I got this amazing bag in this pouch, all these products I got. So first let me show you the bag. Isn't this beautiful? It's so huge. You can carry all your cosmetics, your skincare products, your travel packs, anything. So it's mentioned also, I don't share things inside this bag, and it's really strong and sturdy. The plastic is really nice and thick material, and I like the zip which have this plain kind of thing you're hanging like a keychain. So I'm just keeping this there by the time I'm showing you what all I got. So I got 3 sheet masks from the Face Shop. The first one which I got is the green tea, the word, and it's mentioned the face mask with green tea extract, and all this is mentioned, so you can see the green tea. Then the second sheet mask I got is pomegranate, the extract, and the third one is, I think it's also green tea. Yes, there is also green tea. So 2 green tea and 1 pomegranate. And the next I got is the Herb Day cleansing cream, Aloe, for all skin types, Face Shop. So I'll just open and show you what's inside. So it was neatly sealed. You can see, I'll just focus. So this was neatly sealed, and I opened this. There is another cover on this which will not let the product out, and this is how it looks. It's very nice and thick. So I will let me know in the comment section if you want me to share a review on this product. So I will make a separate video. So this is cleansing cream, it's mentioned here. So this itself, if you buy separate, I think the price of this is mentioned somewhere. Okay, now you can see the price of this is 330 rupees, and expiry date is also mentioned 25th of Feb 2022. So it's good to use still for the next 3 years. Then this is the cleansing cream, and the next what I got is in this box, which is the White Seed Brightening Discovery Kit, and I'm really excited to use this. This is not for sale separate, it comes in only in this travel kit. So this itself, it have 3 products which I'll just share with you. I got these 3 things. So in this box I got, the first thing what I got is White Seed Brightening Toner Lotion, and I think this is mentioned in French or Korean, I don't know. So White Brightening Toner, then this is White Seed Brightening Lotion, and this is White Seed Brightening Serum. So it's toner, lotion and serum, all this in this kit. I showed you the cleansing milk. The next thing what I got is, this is the rose water. Was this a hand cream or something? This is daily perfumed hand cream. Wow, packaging is so beautiful. Yeah, I really love their packaging. So this is the hand cream. I'll just open and show how it looks inside. Okay, so I'll just open it, and there is also another seal. I'll just open this. My god, this is lovely smell. Yeah, I just applied a little and it's so beautiful, the smell. I just loved it. I'll be applying this in my hand. So if you want your hands to smell really good and moisturized, you must definitely try this. So it's really nice. It's a good tube and I think it's really huge. The quantity is amazing. The quantity in this is amazing. It's like good amount they have given us. Yeah, so this is a hand cream, and the next is Face Shop Rise Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. That was cleansing cream, and this is cleanser, and it's mentioned. Yeah, so this is face mask 50 ml, and separately this is not for the sale, this is not for sale. And if you want to buy separate, I will share the link in my description for these separate products, the hand cream as well as the foaming cleanser as well as the cleansing cream. If you want any of these products, I will share the link in my description. And all this together you will get in this kind of travel kit, and only for 990 rupees. Isn't this amazing? So go ahead and grab it right now and share the link in my description box and enjoy these products only for 990. So hurry up, click the link in my description. I'll share the link which you can grab from Nykaa as well as from Amazon. If I find, I'll definitely get. And I wanted to also try the second travel kit. This is a travel kit and that was a starter kit. I wanted to try a starter kit as well, but it was not available. If in case it is available, I'll definitely grab that away and I'll share that product as well. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share this video to all your friends and family. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and share this video to all your friends and family. Also follow me on Instagram, and that's my ID, that's just chill my dog. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.